Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to start our next exercise. What is that? Our first question: evaluate tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. So actually, we need to convert this as either in the format of tan or either in the format of cot. So first one is tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. So we know the formulas of trigonometric functions. So we need to convert tan 36 in the format of cot. Based on that, we are going to take it. So we will have the standard angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So what angle if you subtract from the 90, then we will get it as 54. So as we know, if you subtract 90 minus 54, we will get it. What is that? Let's going to write tan 90 minus 54. Tan 90 degrees by 54 means we will get it as usual, that is 36 degrees. Why? Because 90 minus 54, we will get it as 36 degrees by cot 54. Cot 54 degrees. As we know one formula, what is that? Tan 90 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. So we know that formula. So here 90 minus theta. Theta will be equal to what is that? 54 degrees here. Then find it tan 90 minus 54 divided by cot 54. We will get it as, that is cot 54 degrees by cot 54 degrees. That one, it will going to cancel, both are will going to cancel. Then what you will get it? So 1. So this is the value. So this is value we will get. Next, find out, we are converted this tan into cot. Now for the same question, we will see the conversion of cot into tan. We can see that one also. So what is that? You can write it in the format of tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Let's going to write tan 36 degrees as it is. Then cot 54, you can write it in the format of cot 90 minus 36. What we will get it? So we will get is the value of, what is that? 54. 90 minus 36, what is that? 54. They are given in the format of simple logic. So if you subtract 90 minus 36, we will get 54. If you subtract 54, then we will get it as 36. It is in the format. So what is the formula we know? So therefore cot 90 minus theta will be equal to tan theta. So this is the formula. Let's going to write it here. So tan 36 by, what is that? Tan 36. So here theta will be equal to 36 degrees. So let's going to calculate, cancel all these one, then we will get it 1 by 1, then 1. So that is our answer. Thanks for watching. Let's move on to the next one. So here our second one is, what is that? Cosine 12 degrees minus sine 78 degrees. Let's going to convert this cosine in the format of 78. How you can write it? So cos 90 minus 78 degrees minus sine 78 degrees. So what is the formula of cos 90 minus theta? Since what you can say, cos 90 minus theta, we will get it as beside sine function, that is sine theta. So here theta will be equal to 78 from this. Then what is this here is, cos 90 minus 78 theta is sine 78 degrees minus sine 78 degrees. So both will be equal to equal. Then what answer? 78 minus 78, we will get the value of 0. Let's find out what is the next one. Next method is, let's take it this one only. Convert this as, what you can write it? So let's going to write cos 12 degrees minus sine 78 degrees. So let's convert sine 78 in the format of cos. So let's going to write it cos 12 as it is, then minus sine 90 minus 12 degrees. So if you take it, this one is 78, we will get it. So what is this? Cos 12 degrees minus cos 12 degrees. So what is the formula we can use this here? The formula will be equal to sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta will be equal to cos theta. So this is the value. Here theta will be equal to 12 degrees. Let's find out this one going to equal. So this is going to cancel. Then here also cancel. We will get it as 0. Like this we need to find it. So here our third one. What is that? Cosecant 31 minus secant 59 degrees. So write what is the given. So cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Let's going to convert this cosecant 31 degrees into what is that? You can say one formula. Let's going to write this one. Write it as cosecant 90 minus 59 degrees. Then what is that? 31 minus secant 59 degrees. So what is the formula? The formula will be, therefore, since what you can say, cosecant 90 minus theta, cosecant 90 minus theta will be equal to secant theta. So what is theta here? Theta will be equal to 59 degrees. Let's going to write this one. Cosecant 90 minus 59, we will get it as secant 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Let's cancel both. So it will going to cancel both the values. Then what value we will get it? The value will be equal to 0. So this is the value. Let's take another method. What is that? Let's going to write cosecant 31 degrees minus. So you can write secant 59 as secant 90 minus 31 degrees. Then what we will get it? So cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 90 minus degree. What is that? Since it will come it as secant 90 minus theta, we will get it as cosecant theta. So here theta will be equal to 31 degrees. Theta will be equal to 31 degrees. Secant theta will be equal to cosecant 31 degrees. So this one will going to cancel. Both values will going to cancel. Then what value we will get it here? 0. So like this we need to find the given things. So here our fourth one, sine 15 degrees and secant 75 degrees. So let's going to write as it is, sine 15 degrees secant 75 degrees. So what is this? Let's going to convert sine 15 as 90 minus 75. Let's going to convert this one. So sine, you can write it in the format of sine 90 minus 75. What we will get it? Cos, that one we know that. So secant 75 degrees. So let's take what is the formula for this. The formula, since what you can write it here is sine 90 minus theta. What we will get it? Cos theta. So this one we know. So let's write it this one. So cos 75 degrees secant 75 degrees. So secant theta, you can write it in the format of 1 by cosine theta. So this is also one formula. Let's take it this one. Cosine 75 degrees into 1 by cos 75 degrees. That is cosine 75 degrees. Let's going to cancel both the values. So here cos 75 will going to get it. So what is the final answer? The final answer will be equal to 1. So this is the value for that. Let's move on to the same thing. Then we're going to take another method. So what is another method is, we're going to convert secant in the format of sine. So let's take it this one. Sine 15 degrees into secant 90 minus 15. What we will get it? 90 minus 15, we will get it as 75. So secant. So what is the formula? We know that. Since secant 90 minus theta will be equal to cosecant theta. So here theta will be equal to 15 degrees. Let's write same thing. The value will be equal to sine 15 degrees into cosecant 15 degrees. So cosecant 15 degrees. What is the formula for sine? So sine or cosecant we will get it as. So cosecant theta will be equal to 1 by sine theta. So this is the formula. Based on this we need to calculate here. So let's going to write is sine 15 degrees into 1 by sine 15 degrees. So sine 15 degrees will going to get it cancelled. Then both will going to cancel. Then what is the answer? The answer will be equal to 1. So like this also we can find it. Thanks for watching. Let's move on to the next one. So our sixth one, what is that? Tan 26 degrees. Let's write tan 26 degrees. tan 64 degrees. So first one, let's going to convert tan 64 and this all the values. Let's move on to this. So tan 26 degrees, you can write it in the format of tan 90 minus 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. So what is the formula? As we know, since tan 90 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. So this one we know. So let's write it this one. Cot 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. So cot theta, as we know, what is the formula of cot theta? So what is 1 by tan theta? So this is the formula. Let's substitute here. Then 1 by tan 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. So these values will going to cancel. So these two values will going to cancel. Then what answer we will get? The answer will be equal to 1. So if it is like this subtraction of 90 degrees with the opposite one, then we will get it as value always 1. Then next move on to the next one. Next method. Let's take it tan 26 degrees, tan 64 degrees. So you can write it in the format of tan 26 degrees like it only, then tan 90 minus 26 degrees. So this angle only we are taking here. So as we know, tan 90 minus theta, as I told already, we are taking, that is tan 26 degrees cot 26 degrees. Cot theta is equals to what? Tan 26 degrees into 1 by tan 26 degrees. So both will going to cancel here. Tan 26, tan 26. What is the value? The value will be equal to 1. So like this also we can find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.